Oh god, what is that? Oh, severe thunderstorm watch! I knew it!
Weather message. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 249.
Oh, yes, it's my first watch.
This watch includes the following county, Columbiana, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland, and the following counties in West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large and damaging
It's pretty cloudy out there.
close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
It's the first time I ever heard that watch
To know a
tone.
weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.